The entire world is shifting from analog to digital at an unprecedented pace, and the internet is a key enabler of that shift. Nowadays, everything runs on top of this layered infrastructure, which has its own rules and properties that underpin its integrity, well functioning, and resilience, including the global reach of its infrastructure, common communication standard, and most importantly, its neutrality vis-a-vis digital content. The attempt of government to regulate digital content and technology regionally or even nationally is more and more impacting on the functioning of the internet, with tech policy being shaped without a real impact assessment on the integrity of the internet, thus consolidating the risk of fragmentation, increasing latency inefficiency, and higher costs. When it comes to digital and internet policy, government alone cannot effectively exercise their regulatory powers because they lack understanding and the capacity to face the extreme technical complexity as well as to handle the multiple interests involved. For this reason, a broader stakeholders' participation in policy making and decision making processes are needed based on the multi-stakeholder approach and consensus where all stakeholders, including civil society and the technical community, have to partake in the process on equal footing, preventing big tech corporations from dictating the policy agenda of digital transformation. The model is already in place within ICANN, where the domain name system policy are shaped through a multi-stakeholder process, and within the United Nations Internet Governance Forum, where digital and tech governance issues are discussed to build a multi-stakeholder consensus around possible solution and action points. These are not places where decisions are made, but in this also rests the values of this type of models. Because after all, tech governance cannot rely solely on regulations, but we need to explore broader and more flexible solutions to tackle the biggest challenges ahead.